Okay, we just did a little bit of snow plowing, and yeah, it turned out pretty good. I really just needed to kind of plow where the truck will park as I pull from the bin and fill the trailer. This little area, you know, of course you fill and you move a little bit, and you fill and you move a little bit. So that's where a guy ends up spinning out, and then you're, you know, super frustrated. Anyways, getting in and getting out is not a big deal, because of course you got a run coming in, and then of course you have downhill to get going, to get up that little rise. So that's not a problem. But for a quick job, this thing is awesome. This is a snowplow that my brother built years ago, and we've been trying to ruin it ever since. So I think originally this was an old wore out bucket from an 1835C skid steer, a case skid steer, and it was pretty rough shape. So he just chopped off the cutting edge, and then this was an old truck mount plow, of course, with the trip. And I mean, it's way too light for this skid steer, but it's so awesome. It's nice and wore out, so it kind of contours to the to the land. And of course, if you hit something, then it'll trip and won't put your face through the window or the door. And I mean, so what if it needs a little bit of welding every year? It's awesome. And then of course the price was right too, you know, and yeah, nothing like recycling. Anyways, yeah, it's super fast. And of course this machine will do like 12 miles an hour, so that's fast for a little job like this. And then of course, you know, just rip out from the farm, do the quick plow, head back. And yeah, so again, it actually looks like there needs to be a little more welding right here. That really has been the solution to all my problems, is just more welding. Anyways, we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.